Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 1. Basics of sheet metal. First, select the new part. In Solidworks add-in, select sheet metal. Now pick top plane for sketching. Now select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle with the origin as the center. Specify the dimensions using Smart Dimension command, which is referred in the manual. Now, under sheet metal, select base flange and specify the sheet metal parameters. Now, select the edge flange option and click the edge of the base flange and drag in the direction in which the flange is to be produced. Specify the bend radius of the edge flange and also the extrusion dimension of the edge flange from the base flange. Now, again select the edge flange and draw edge flange from the edges of previously drawn edge flange. Specify the direction of extrusion by dragging from the edges of the edge flange. Specify its bend radius and also the dimension of extrusion from the edge. Now select the fillet command and make a fillet at each corner of the edge flange. Specify the radius of the fillet as given in the manual. Now select the upper face of the edge flange and give sketch. Select the circle command and draw a circle over the face of the edge flange. Specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Mark each dimensions as per the manual. After sketching of circles, now select mirror entities and specify the mirror plane and the entities to be mirrored. Now select the top face of the base flange and give sketch. Select the circle command and draw a circle over the face. Specify its dimensions as given in manual. Now make the profile as given in the manual using line command. Trim the unwanted entities using trim command. Now specify the dimension of the drawn sketch using smart dimension command. Now after dimensioning, draw a vertical center line from the origin. Select the sketched line on the center line and give the relation symmetric. Then, after the required dimensioning, select circular sketch pattern. Specify the axis about pattern as the origin and also pick the entities to be patterned. Now after pattern, trim the remaining entities which are unwanted. Now under features, select extrude cut and specify the dimension of extrusion and the end condition. The quantity of sheet metal required for the manufacture of this part can be measured using flatten command, which gives the dimension of the total quantity of the sheet metal required for the production of this part. After checking dimensions, bring back the original part. That's it. Our sheet metal part is completed. That's it. Our sheet metal part is completed.